sorry. Okay, we making some pepper steak with cheese empanadas, okay? So this is the dough right here we using, homemade dough. So we're gonna make these for dinner. Okay, you guys? So I just want to put that on here. What you said? Yeah, I need some, give me,
you want to add a little more meat?
Oh, okay. Need more meat?
Yeah.
Is this enough?
That look like add a little more.
That should be enough. You don't need a, you know, because you got to have room to put the cheese in there.
You gotta look at the cheese slices, Mom.
Oh, yeah. You know how you cut in pieces? You got to cut them in half. Like 4 pieces. And that way, you know, could, you know, be able, yeah, one, it could be like that. And then just put it in there. Because we don't have the shredded cheese. Okay, that's it for one. And then I have to fold it. Hold on. I need, you know what I need? I need a freaking, this is how they look after, or, you know, stuffing it with meat and cheese. So we have to put some egg wash on it, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, alrighty. Let's put an egg wash on there so they could be golden. That golden look to it when it's done. You're gonna be like, what? Watch. When they done, I'm gonna be like, okay, I'm about to smack somebody abuela. Cause it's better to make them yourself, because you know, like they already made Hot Pockets. Cause you know they're really like, they remind you of Hot Pockets and beef patties, but the only difference is the shape. When you get it already made, it don't taste good. Like, it don't taste fresh. And then it's like a limit to what goes in there. So when you do them yourself, it's cheaper to make them yourself, and then you could control how you want to season it and how much you're going to use, you know? How you want to season it and how much filling you're going to use in it. So these are baked, we call them empanadillas, but some people call them patties. You know, like so many names you can call these, okay? Pastries. Okay, so they're going to go in the oven, and I will upload how they look on the inside. Or the finished empanadillas. Some people call them patties. Some people call them Hot Pockets. You know, but we made the pepper steak and cheese ones. If some homemade dipping sauce, you know, to go with it. And this is how, you know, we had an extra one, so I had to cut it in half. So this is how the inside look. You can see the peppers, the onions in here. It's cheese in there too. So is in there, okay, hiding. But it's some melted cheese in there too. Okay, so so you do is you just take it, dip it in here, and I eat it. So these are the homemade ones. We'll put it in the oven this time instead of frying it. Come out good. Um, I'm gonna finish eating these. I just want to share with you guys. Okay? These actually came out good because I was like, oh, we should try some pepper steak ones. All right, you guys.